Your language doesn't just describe your life, it defines it. Let's get one thing clear. Your words are not just casual sounds, they are instructions for your brain. Every time you speak out loud or in your mind, you're programming your subconscious mind to expect, accept, or reject a version of reality. This is one of the most powerful truths in NLP. Language creates reality. Always remember, the words you choose reflect your beliefs, but they also reinforce them. You are either expanding your potential or limiting it every time you open your mouth. Have you ever caught yourself saying, I can't handle this, I'm always late, I'm terrible with money, this always happens to me? These aren't harmless comments, they are commands to your brain. And your brain obeys them even when they are not true. You might not really mean it. Let's break it down. When you say, I can't, your mind stops looking for options. When you say, I always, your brain generalizes failure into identity. And when you say, I should, you are shaming yourself into stuckness. It's not just negative language that limits you, it's unconscious, habitual language. And most of us picked up our patterns from childhood. Think about it. Who spoke around you? What phrases were repeated? Life is hard. Money doesn't grow on trees. Don't expect too much. You weren't just hearing these like anything. You were absorbing them. And over time, they become your inner voice and limiting beliefs. But here is the good news. Language is programmable and you can reprogram it. Start by becoming aware of the most common phrases you use, especially under stress or self-judgment. When something goes wrong, do you say, I knew this would happen to me? Why does this always happen to me? If you say such kind of phrases, instead try saying this. What can I learn from this? I choose a new way of responding. This is just one moment and not whole story. One of the simplest NLP shift is changing I have to into I choose to. Compare these two sentences. I have to go to work versus I choose to go to work because I value income and independence. The second sentence activates agency, power, and alignment. Another tip: eliminate the word but when talking about your goals. I want to grow my business, but I am not ready. Instead, say, I want to grow my business and I am building the skill I need. But cancels the first part of your sentence and connects it with forward motion. When you do this daily, your subconscious starts responding differently. New neural pathways will start creating. You will notice your emotional state is improving, your confidence is rising, and your self-image is evolving. This is the foundation of NLP. Words create internal worlds. When you become intentional with your language, you stop reinforcing the patterns that held you back, and you will start creating the mindset that moves you forward. So listen closely to how you speak, because every sentence is either shaping the reality you fear or one that you want. You are not just talking, you are teaching your brain what to believe and what to become. So be mindful while talking. Share this video if you found it helpful. Thank you.